Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video we will be talking about how to turn off ask permission on an app store iPad. So head over to settings, and from there you need to scroll and search for a specific area that is basically your permission for the app store. So I'm currently searching in for that. Maybe it will just wait for a couple of seconds. Maybe yeah, so you need to head over to your screen time, and from your screen time head over to iTunes and App Store purchases, and then you need to make sure that from required password it is selected to don't require. Then you can simply head over to your App Store Apple's ID, and from there to your App Store management, and here as you can see, when you you can simply set it to require password. Make sure that it is turned off, and it will no longer ask for password on an iPad. So that's a pretty simple process on how you can perform all of these steps, and I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next couple of videos.